my channel. So I have a quick setup for a sweet 16 birthday party today, and I'm just going to show you how I transformed this beautiful basement into a nice eating area where the guests can eat over here. And then right here, I think we'll do this for photos. We'll have balloons on the ceiling here. All right, so stay tuned for the transformation. Okay, so we're gonna set up the 16 right here, the marquee 16. And we're going to add this silver runner underneath it. And that's a 16 here. And that's my amazing husband that doesn't want to be seen. And so that's a 6 marquee. And we're gonna add it over here. So now we're just deciding where we're gonna add the runner. So that's my husband just adjusting. Look how huge the number 16 is. So we're just deciding on what angle we're gonna have this 16. We're gonna do it off to the side. I think that looks good. And then Asia's going to put the runner underneath. And these are the shimmer towels that we'll be using to put on the backdrop right here. And we have the 16 right beside it. Okay, so we're gonna blow balloons up and put up the wall. And then I'll show you guys the finishing product. So I just wanna show you a quick tutorial on how to set up the shimmer wall. So this one here is silver, and it comes in separate tiles like this. And we're going to be adding it on our backdrop pole. So you can use any backdrop pole that is strong enough to hold the wall. The wall is not really that heavy. Right here, my husband has it laid out where we zip tie them on the back like this. And we have them together, and then we're going to put them on the backdrop like this with the zip tie. And there's the holes right there. So we put the zip tie between the holes, and then we're gonna connect it to the backdrop pole. So we're just laying out the pieces before we install it on the backdrop. We find it to be a lot easier because the tiles, or the small shimmer tiles just here, they have to be going the same direction to get that shimmer look that you're looking for. If it's different direction, you won't get that effect. So my husband's just putting it together first on the floor before we add it to the backdrop. And that's how. So we already connect them to make it a bit faster with zip tie. And you can get a zip tie anywhere, dollar store, Walmart, any home hardware place. And they come like this in a box, separate tiles. And we add the zip tie. And the holes are there, oops, next way. The holes are there, and that's where you connect. And just using 2 zip ties. So we're finished the install. We have the balloons along the side here of the 16. So we're just gonna extend the blue balloons right over a sequence wall. And right here we have the magnetic hooks. See, there's one right there. So we're just gonna bring the blue balloons going right across. So we're just zip tying the last panel on. And then our backdrop is completed. The hole is there. Then you attach it onto the other hole at the back. It's just defective. We're gonna have to put a hole, of course, the one that we decided to show. Okay, but that's what it looks like so far, guys. And so we're just gonna put the balloons running at the top. So I will show you the finished product when we're done. Now we're finished the shimmer wall, and I added the balloons at the top, and then it goes right around to the 16. And we did a cluster here at the bottom, and then this is a splint for the cake stand. And then over here we have the dinner setting, and I just added the access balloons at the window to cover it up. And then we have the napkin, the menu card, and a customized water. And then we have our ghost centerpiece to match the chairs. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Blessings.